GoPro might hog the spotlight in the action camera world, but it's not the only star on stage. Plenty of GoPro alternatives bring sharp 4K video, tough builds, and wallet-friendly price tags that won't make your bank account cry. Whether you're diving into the ocean, bombing down a mountain trail, or just vlogging your weekend adventures, these cameras are ready to roll. In this video, we'll uncover the best GoPro alternatives that prove epic footage doesn't have to come with a GoPro logo. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. AKASO Brave 7 LE, our pick for best budget GoPro alternative. If you want an action camera that nails the fun without punishing your wallet, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is your move. You get real 4K at 30 frames per second, clean, sharp, and ready for weekend rides, ridge hikes, and paddleboard wipeouts, without paying GoPro money. You don't call off plans when the sky goes dramatic, and neither does this little unit. With an IPX7 rating, it shrugs off rain and splashes. So trail runs and dock jumps stay on the schedule. Many bundles toss in a protective case and must-have accessories, which means less scrolling for add-ons and more time pressing the shutter. Framing yourself is easy mode. Dual screens let you line up vlogs, group shots, and helmet angles on the first take. No more guessing if your face is halfway out of frame. The 6-axis electronic image stabilization smooths the bumps for watchable, shareable clips your friends won't bail on. Yes, electronic image stabilization crops the image a touch, but in return, you get footage with that "did you hire a cameraman?" polish. You're here for value without compromise. And Brave 7 LE delivers the hits. Solid build, simple controls, and the core features you'll actually use. Pack it in your day bag, clip it to your board, strap it to your handlebars, then go make memories your future self will be glad you saved. Your budget stays calm. Your highlight reel does not. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2, our pick for best GoPro alternative with gimbal stabilizer. If you want a GoPro alternative that travels light without skimping on wow, meet DJI Pocket 2, the pocketable gimbal that makes your footage look like you hired a steady-handed pro. Weighing just 117 grams, it slides into your pocket but delivers 64 megapixels photos and 4K 60 frames per second video that turn shaky clips into cinema. Your adventures move fast. Pocket 2 keeps up. Active Track 3 locks onto your star and keeps them centered while you stay in the moment. Planning a group escape? Tap the 180-degree panorama to fit everyone and the epic view. No elbow acrobatics required. Not into arm's length selfies. Use up to 8 times zoom to stay present and out of the awkward close-up. When the fun's over, the AI editor whips your clips into a share-ready story, syncing to your music with smooth transitions. So you spend your weekend making memories, not timelines. Heading for waves or waterfalls? Add the waterproof case for protection down to 60 meters, and you're cleared for splashy scenes with calm, stable footage. If you crave pro-looking stories without the baggage, you just found your tiny powerhouse. Smooth, smart, and always ready, hit record, keep moving, and capture memories that look as good as they felt. Still searching for the perfect GoPro alternative? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Insta360 X4, our pick for best 360-degree GoPro alternative. If you want a 360-degree camera that outsmarts chaos and makes you look like you brought a film crew, meet Insta360 X4, the best 360-degree GoPro alternative for creators who do it all. Shoot in jaw-dropping 8K 30 or crank up the action at 5.7K 60 frames per second. Active high dynamic range keeps color looking true when the light plays games. You press record. The AI in the Insta360 app helps you reframe later for vertical, horizontal, or square, so you get the angle you meant without fussing in the moment. That third person, how'd they film that perspective? The invisible selfie stick effect removes the stick from your shots for drone-like footage without the drone. Note: selfie stick not included in standalone version. Prefer classic action cam vibes? Switch to wide-angle 4K at a buttery 60 frames per second, or go ultra-wide with 170-degree max view at 4K 30 for big landscapes and bigger stoke. No wobble, no wobble. Flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock keep your footage smooth and level, even when you're decidedly not. The 2.5-inch screen makes framing and playback a breeze, and built-in Wi-Fi gets your clips from camera to phone without cables or complaints. You get more than resolution. You get freedom. Freedom to shoot first, choose your story later, and share it everywhere without reshoots. If your adventures deserve better than flat footage, X4 is ready to level you up. Number 2. OM System Tough TG7, our pick for best optical zoom GoPro alternative. If you're ready to step beyond basic action cam vibes, the OM System Tough TG7 is your sturdier, smarter upgrade. You get a real optical zoom, 25 to 100 millimeters equivalent, with a bright f2 at the wide end, so you can go from sweeping coastlines to close-up details without swapping gear or missing the moment you came for. You'll notice it's a touch chunkier than those tiny cube cams. That's by design. The TG7 is built to be thrown in a wet bag, banged around on a day pack, and dunked on purpose. From snorkeling with sea turtles to shivering through gnarly weather, it just keeps showing up. Control freaks, rejoice. The phone app lets you tweak settings, trigger the shutter, and transfer files right away. No laptop, no drama. Just quick shares and faster backups. Specs that matter? Waterproof to 15 meters, crushes 4K video at 30 frames per second, and shrugs at conditions that send fair weather cameras packing. It's the rare compact that's both creative and indestructible, letting you focus on the story instead of babying your gear. If you want resilience, range, and real control in a pocketable body, the tough TG7 is your adventure buddy with receipts. Clip it on, dive in, head out, and come back with proof you didn't just talk about doing the thing, you did it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4, our pick for best GoPro alternative overall. If you want a compact action cam that keeps up with your chaos without wrecking your budget, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is your new sidekick. You get a sweeping 155-degree field of view to snag everything from handlebars to horizon, plus glorious 4K at 120 frames per second for slow-mo that turns oops into epic. You don't call it quits when the light gets moody, and neither does this camera. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor pulls crisp detail from dim scenes, so sunset trails, night markets, and early morning surf all look intentionally cinematic, not accidentally grainy. It's a tank too, waterproof to 18 meters and happy down to 4 degrees Fahrenheit, so snow days and saltwater days are fair game. Color nerds will appreciate 10-bit depth for richer grading and smoother skies. Shaky hands? Rocky trails? DJI's advanced stabilization keeps footage steady from chest mounts, helmets, and selfie sticks without making your audience seasick. When the battery begs for mercy, 30-watt fast charging gets you back in action before your friends finish arguing over where to go next. And because you already own a drawer of mounts and mods, it plays nicely with a wide lineup of accessories. No wallet-wincing overhaul required. If you're ready to turn every outing into a highlight reel and make your group chat ask, "How did you shoot that?" Osmo Action 4 is the tiny powerhouse that's down for anything, just like you. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best GoPro alternatives. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which GoPro alternative you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.